Hey guys, thanks for joining us. So in this episode, we're going to introduce you guys to some other products from N2itive. This product is actually for the refresh Model S and or the Plaid. So as in our previous video for N2itive, where we showed you guys the lowering links and the rear camera arms for the older Model S, this is for the new one. So to start, we're going to show you their lowering links. Let's open this up. One thing I really love about N2itive is just the amount of effort and time they put into packaging. This is really, really nice packaging. Take a look at that, printed on all sides. Sticker, die cut foam inside, and then you've got your 4 lowering links. So what's really nice about these lowering links is they have a scale built into them. And this scale is going to allow you guys to actually figure out exactly what length you want this rod to be, this link, so that you can set your vehicle to a lower ride height than it would typically be at driving. So if you ever decide that you need to set this back to factory length, you can set this link to 0. That'll set it to factory length, and you're good to go. So we're going to show you guys exactly how we install these. If you want, please check out our previous video. It's exactly the same as the older Model S. So we'll put this back. It does come with an Allen key as well. So it's just very well put together. Really nice packaging. We're gonna close this up, and I'm gonna get to what I really wanna show you, which is this rear upper camber arm. So check this out. Let's open this box up. Look at this. And then in here, you've got a QR code for installation instructions. I'm gonna move this aside. And let's get this stuff out. We've got 2 arms in here. You got a crow's foot. And you've got some new bolts. Bolts and washers. So let's show you guys what we've got in here. Now, one thing I really like is the fact that this arm, as of today, as of right now, it retails for $9.95. So it's a pretty decent value, all things considered. This is a forged arm. You can see the actual shape of this arm is quite unique. So it's not that cheap to produce. So this is their natural anodized finish. They do have other finishes, but I do like this very OEM appearance. So one thing you'll notice is you've got a couple of clamping mechanisms, locking mechanisms for the adjustment. So you've got one over here. This is on the adjuster itself. And then you have one over here on the actual arm. So it's really nice because you can actually lock one end so this spherical doesn't pivot on you, and then you can lock the other one. Whereas there's other arms, if they have a jam nut or anything of that sort, when you go to tighten that jam nut, then this thing gets a little bit off-centered, but the way they've designed this, it allows you to keep this bearing here in a centered position. And then you can see this crow's foot is essentially gonna go into here for adjustment. Another thing that your shop or your alignment technician is gonna appreciate is the fact that this can be adjusted with the wheels on the car. So they've made it, you know, with the use of this crow's foot, you don't need to take the wheels off. You don't need a lot of special equipment in terms of an alignment machine to be able to do this adjustment. But yeah, I mean, this thing's really great. I just love the packaging, the attention to detail. They do offer a 6-year warranty on this, as well as the lowering links, as far as I know. And keep an eye out for our next video where we're going to show you guys how we install this on a Model S long range, a refresh. And again, guys, we appreciate you guys supporting us and watching our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit that notifications bell so that you are informed on all of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys.